Yo, Mike, what's up? Mike, I got the contract, man. I got the contract, bro. You can say that again. Yeah, bro, I'm so happy, man. I'm so happy. It's a great one. Uh huh. My G, thanks for being happy for me, man. I appreciate it. Yeah. It's good. Very good. Come on, see. Why is she not picking up? Male. Male, just begin to dance. Just begin to shout hallelujah 15 times. Mommy, I have the contract. Yes, the contract that I told you about. I'm actually coming from the site now. Mommy, I got the contract. Yeah. I didn't just get the contract, but I got the contract and cash of $100,000 for the contract and 50 million naira check. Mommy, don't break your leg when you're dancing. Easy. Mommy, I'll call you back. I'll call you back, okay? Poor woman. Ooh, so happy. Don't play. Woo! Gee. Hey. God, thank you. Thank you, Lord.
If you move, I'll blow your head. Now on your knees. Get down! Get down. Do not move. If you move, I swear to God, I'll blow you. Don't move! I'm on you. Don't try me.
When I set my eyes on you, it's pure revenge.
Good day, sir.
What is it?
Sir, a girl is here.
Which girl?
A girl that came to look for a housemaid job. She's outside. Sorry? Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Don't be angry, sir. Sister?
Okay, get man.
See, I have gone in to check. My guy is not in a good mood. So you have to go. You have to go.
Okay, get man. I really need this job. I beg, I don't have any work I'm doing. I really need this job, please.
I know you really need this job. That's why I'm even stressing myself for you. If you check now, it's as if I'm liking you. So don't worry, go. I will make sure nobody takes the job until you take it.
Okay, can I go in and greet you, Oga?
Go and greet him as who? No, as who, Kwano?
I just want to say
Sister, no, here salutation is not love. If my guy is in a good mood, he will tell you that salutation is not love. We don't appreciate too much greeting here. Do you get? MC, let me tell you, I lost money here. My Oga lost 250 million today.
Jesus.
Jesus lost the money. It's my Oga. My Oga. You get?
Hey. Look it, man. Can I go in and tell him sorry?
Tell him sorry as what, man?
Let me just go and say sorry.
As insurance as what? See, let me tell you. The only sorry my Oga will hear and appreciate is from insurance. You know the way they tell their own sorry. They will just carry whatever you lost. They are sorry and you will smile. So since you are not insurance, Ngwa, Una. The coast is not clear now. Go,
please,
friend.
I really need this job. I don't mind waiting for him till he gets to a
Madam, this explanation why I give you never do you. No, go make me change my mood though. I'm easily...
I can tell him sorry.
Hey!
How did it go?
Bad. Bad. The gate man said he was not in a good mood. I have to come back later.
Are you high? Do you not want us to get that job? How do you intend to accomplish our plans?
Nelly, calm down. The gate man said he'll keep the job for me. So I'll go and try again.
Why are you talking like a fool? We have a plan. He must go down for killing your sister. Yes.
Listen, Nelly. If you have a better plan or better way to go about this whole thing, why don't you do it yourself? Besides, I'm even skeptical. Yeah.
You think I've not thought about that? I would have done it long time ago. Look, Nana. You have to do this. Okay? All you have to do is to get yourself together. Go to that house. Do everything in your power and get that job. Get into that house. Poison him and get the hell out. Simple.
Simple? Mm-hmm. You really think it's that simple? You think it's simple to just go into someone's house and poison them? It's that simple?
Oh yes. When you have a proper strategy, you can do it. Look, come on! You are a woman! Use your woman power and get that job done. Do you know where you would have been if he didn't kill your sister Ada? How do you know? Do you know all the plans that your sister had for you? I mean, I saw her hustle. I saw her make plans for you. I mean, she thought about Cambridge, here, there. She wanted you to be in a
Fine!
by now.
I'll go back.
Good.
Again?
Yes. God gets man, it's me, yo.
Sister, what are you doing here again with your bag?
God gets man, see. I wasn't joking when I told you that I really need this job. That's why I brought my bag. Please.
Let me tell you too. I wasn't joking when I told you that the job cannot come now. That my guy is not in the mood of talking. Do you hear me? What is wrong with you? How can you go and carry your bag and come back here? Is this the only place they have job vacancy? Eh?
God gets man, I'm a very patient person. See, I brought my bag so I can just sit down somewhere in front of your house. I can wait till your guy is fine. You don't even need to give me food. I will just sit down and wait, please.
Madam Job Seeker, I am a very impatient person. And looking at this place, it doesn't look like a restaurant because you're already talking about food. So you better go now. Calmly go. Go and wait. You can drop your number. Whenever my guy is in a good mood to talk, I'll just call you back to come.
You don't understand. This is not a thing of number. I'm already here. There's no need for me to go. I will just wait. You don't need to have my number or to call me back. I'm here already.
It's like you're not understanding what I'm saying, Abby. Anyway, when you are done waiting, you get out from here. I have time.
I'll wait. No problem. I'm a very patient person.
Okay. Hey! You don't done him. You don't done him. Hey! Jesus! Okay. But let they pay you. Hey! Sorry, sir. Should I take you to the hospital, sir? Sir? Should I take you to the hospital? Hey! And you never vomit. But you need to vomit am here. Sorry, sir. No vomit am for Throw it up. Throw it up, sir.
What happened to him? What happened?
See what's going down here. You finish this drink without eating.
Jesus
The
Christ.
thing is worrying.
Did you buy palm oil in this house?
Palm oil?
Eh.
You want to do abacha for him?
Oh, please, just go and bring oil. Go, don't worry. I know what to do. Hurry up now.
Sorry. Hey! Wahala.
So sorry. Sorry.
Hey!
You feel better?
Yeah.
Can I have spoon?
Hmm?
Yes, spoon. Please hurry up now. Sorry.
This girl won't cook. I know it's the big one or the small one there. Is it the big one or this one?
Please hold.
It's okay. Once you locked it, now you don't go. But you make I hold it. Let me use this thing to hold it.
Take this thing out.
If you lock
Stop
it,
playing.
once his teeth is like this, now you don't go.
It's going to
Let's
be
give
fine.
him more now. This one is small. Give him extra.
Is it using it to cook in his stomach?
Sorry.
Yes. Going to be alright.
Sorry. Hi. And that 12 years. 12 years, they hot, eh?
What are you trying to do?
Coco.
Coco went to buy something.
Who are you?
Sorry, I'm the girl that applied for the house help job. I came in when you were in a terrible condition.
House help job?
Yes, sir. It's okay. You don't feel well. Let me take you to your room, alright? Sorry. What way, please? Oh, sorry. What way?
This way.
Okay. Sorry. Oops, sorry. Second. Okay. Sorry. So sorry, sir.
Thank you.
Easy, sir, easy.
I'm fine. I know what I'm doing.
I need you know what you're doing. Sorry. I'll go get you something. Alright? This is the right time to do this. This opportunity might not come again. Oh, gosh. Sorry.
Leave her, make her vomit her. It's good to vomit it. Give him the alabuku.
Don't worry, I've given him to drink. He'll be fine.
No, it's good to give him alabuku. Alabuku will calm him down small.
You can take that one another time.
He needs it too. Easy. Hey!
Sorry.
Almost the same weight with dead body. Very heavy. Sister, you have to go now. You need to start living. Go.
Go to where?
Go home. Because my guy will not be happy to see you here once he wakes up.
Yeah, I don't have transport to go home.
Did I give you the one you used in coming to this place?
Have I not been the one taking care of him?
As doctor, as nurse, as what?
See, people need me in this house so I can be sure everything is okay and alright.
See, your best is not enough. Your best is not enough, so go home and rest.
If I go home this night, they'll rape me. Oh. The road is dark. All those boys, they'll rape me. So it's better I just stay.
Can you imagine? See this Amama seductress. See this seductress. He said they will rape you. Who will rape you? Are you not going to be the rapist? See this one. See you rapist. She said they want them to rape you. See. This is small kids. See what you are carrying. And you say you want them to do. I think I need me. Good job. Please guess. Go! What is small girl like you carry? Nonsense. Sorry, sir. Too much I want to finish the whole thing only you. You don't stay me a month. Today here and share with us. How? Oh, you go. Oh, you go. Oh, you go. For the food before us, we play with thanksgiving. Amen. Father, bless and satisfy this food in Jesus' name. Amen. Ka were ofu na na-egburu ya mmadụ. We do one. One is not too bad. But why? This girl on a normal day, she will still give me this thing free of charge. Why am I committing this thing? I leave her. Once she wake up, she will give me. It's even better she do it with her clear eye. Man to man.
Morning, sir.
Morning. Who are you?
I'm the new house girl of your house.
New house girl. Who employed you? What are you doing here?
Sir, I came in yesterday as the house girl.
Hey,
I'm cleaning. I'm
hey,
cleaning.
I don't know what you're up to. I don't know you. Please just get out of my house, huh?
Sir, I'm not done cleaning. I also have your kitchen to clean. So let me just...
Shut your mouth and get out of my house! I don't know you!
Yes, sir, let me arrange this place.
Oh, God. Young lady, look, I don't want to hurt you, huh? I don't know what you're up to, but just please, I beg you, leave my house at once. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, please, I have to clean for you.
Get out of my house. Just get out of my house. Coco! Coco!
Sir?
Who is this girl? What's she doing in my house?
Sir?
What is this girl doing in my house?
Sir? She's the girl now, the housemaid girl. She said she needs housemaid job and you said okay.
I said okay. When exactly did that? What exactly did I say okay to?
Sir, this girl came and said she's looking for a housemaid job. I told you. And you said, wow, that's nice.
Yes.
Wow, that's okay. Are you okay? Look, I want you to get out of my house this minute. Do you understand? Get out of my house!
Okay,
I want to yell before you get out.
can I please go in and take my bag?
Go get her bag for her, please.
Okay, sir. See, I don't have any work I'm doing. If I leave here now, I'm just going to be begging on the streets. I don't even have anywhere to sleep. Please, I know you pity me. Just go in and begging for me, please.
Can you listen to yourself? Decision that my Oga took with anger. You saw his face and you want me to go and beg him. Beg him for what, Kwame? What will I tell him?
Please, just do something. Just look at my face. Just look at my own face and do something, please. Okay, tell him that I'm the one that made him feel better. I gave him palm oil to drink. In case he wants to drink alcohol again, I will always be here to find solution for him.
He will not drink again. Do you want, if you don't want us to return the palm oil you gave to him, I can bring it back. Stand up and go. Stand up and go.
Please, you need to think about this thing very well. I really need this job. Imagine keeping a poor girl outside without job. Please, just help me and talk
we
to your
can't
Oga.
We can't keep a poor girl. Let's take her out.
Can I stay in your house when Oga feel better? In case
don't have a house.
he takes alcohol again, I know the solution.
I will not allow him to take only. I can't keep you. So you have to go, before you put me for trouble.
Look, I'll not put you in any trouble. Maybe you don't hear what I said before. I said, I don't mind. I will stay inside your house. I'll just relax there. Then maybe tomorrow in the night, Oga will feel better. I cannot go in. It's better than you sending me away. Please.
More dangerous. Only I'm staying here. One or two might happen. You never can tell. So you have to go. I'm a good man, but I'm still flesh and blood. Keeping you here now. You can't. Now what is wrong with you? Go now. Oh. So you know it now. Looking at everything you have now. Get carried away now. They'll carry me away from this house.
Coco wash my clothes? When did he learn how to use the washing machine? Strange. When did Coco start cooking for me? And everyone's just looking clean.
How much is money? It's nothing. Now you know. Now you know. I get what they learn.
Coco, when did you wash my clothes?
Ah, sir, wash your clothes.
Yeah.
I did not wash your clothes. Wash your clothes, how? Sir, I told you that I don't know how to use the washing machine.
Oh, wait, so who did?
It must be that Sisi now. It must be that Sisi.
Wait, she's the one that cooked too, huh?
Ha! Sir, this morning, if you see the way the girl was running around inside the kitchen, I said, Madam, come out from there. She was just busy picking tomato, picking pepper, picking crayfish, picking this one, picking this one. Ha!
Coco, I'm not cut out for all that long story now. Not.
Sir, she said you must eat before you take your alabuku. So that was why I left her inside there.
I see. Alright.
Sir, that girl is a good girl. Very good girl. If you see the way this girl was hustling when you were choking. Now you know, play begero. I get with the lonely me. Ayagaya. Igere. Ayagaya.
Come, did you wash my clothes?
Yes, sir. I washed them and I ironed them because you messed them up with your vomit.
I see. You also cooked for me, right?
Yes, sir. I'm very sorry for invading your privacy.
That's fine. Just take this money for your services yesterday and this morning. Alright?
Thank you so much, sir, but I don't need your money. I need this job, sir. I have a lot of responsibilities. I need job. I want to work, please.
Well, I won't be needing a housemate this period, honestly. I had one before, but I'm good. I don't need one. Just go ahead and take it.
I don't want your money. I want to work. Sir, please, I want to work, sir, please. Sir, please, I want to work for you.
What are you doing here? Did I not ask you to leave my house?
Sir, I came to return your money. I cannot accept your money, sir. I cannot take money when I did not do any work.
I don't understand you. You said you were looking for a job, right? I'm giving you money, you're telling me BS.
Sir, if this money finishes, what money will I use to continue my lifestyle? That's why I need the job. The job is more important than the money, sir.
You know
Please.
what? You're very confused. Very confused.
Sir, please. Sir, take your money, sir.
Everything still feels like a dream. Everything melted away so fast. Like a mirage. Your life melted away like a candle wax. As if it never existed. Come here, baby. I like the way you blush. Can you blush again?
Stop. Stop it, please.
You know, I'm so lucky. I'm really glad to have you in my life, baby.
I'm blessed to have you as my man.
So, babe, what if I ask you to marry me? I hope you'll not say no.
No. If you want us to get married today, we can go ahead and do that.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Ada, will you marry me?
Stop it. You already know the answer is yes. Just put it there.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Babe. Babe, I'm back. Ada! 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 No! Ada! Mike, Mike, I need your help, please. Mike, something crazy is happening. I need your help. Hello, Mike, can you hear me? Alright, just come to my place now. Come. It's a joke, you have to stop it right now. Babe. Baby, she never did anything to this time. It's a nightmare. It's been trouble since you left. Everything's falling apart. We should have it. We should. Coco? Coco?
Good morning, sir. Coco is not around, sir.
You, what are you doing here? Come here! Come, what are you doing here?
Sir, please. Sir, I don't want to go to the street and become a prostitute. That's what I'm telling you, to give me this job. Please, sir.
If you become a prostitute, it's on you. I am not your father. Now listen to me. If I see you here again, that's only going to imply that you have an evil plan, and I'll call the police.
Sir, please. Please give me this job. You will not regret it. I don't have any work to do. I don't want to go and be doing runs in the streets.
Get out of my house!
Sir, okay, come and take your money. I don't want your money.
I am not taking back this money.
Sir, I need to take your money. Sir.
Why you going after me as if you were a mad woman? What's your problem? I'm pretty sure your mom did not train you well.
Sir, don't mention my mother's name. Why are you insulting my mother now? Don't. If you want to insult me, but don't mention my mother's name.
Really, you're yelling at me, the same person who's meant to give you a job.
Hey, are you God? Are you God? Don't mention my mother's name. As a matter of fact, you need to apologize for insulting my mother.
I did not insult your mom. I said perhaps she did not train you well.
It's an insult. You need to apologize for insulting my mother. Sir, come and apologize for insulting my mother.
See wahala. Okay, fine. If I insulted your mom, I'm sorry. Can I go now?
Sir, come and take your money. Take your money and don't insult my mother again.
That's your money. That's your bag. Get it, huh?
Sir, what you're doing is very wrong thing to do, sir. Sir, please, you need to employ me. Sir, I want to work for you. Please, I really need to work for you, sir. Sir, give me a chance. It's you I want to work for. I need this job. Sir, please, open this. Sir, come and answer me. Sir, yes, I'm crazy to work for you, sir. I want to work for you. I'm crazy.
What's going on? Since you were mobilized, I've not seen you drop any chip of sand at their site. I only saw few chip of chippings at the other side. What's going on? Is that how you work?
No, Mr. Sam. Something terrible happened the other day.
What happened?
The day I was given the check and the money, I was robbed.
I don't understand. Is that a joke or what?
It feels like a dream to me too, but that's just the reality.
Listen, Fred. If you don't want to go to jail, you better start that job.
Come on, Sam. He hasn't gotten to that. Please, look, I need your help. Okay, just do me a favor. Help me talk to them so that they can at least give me another check. I lost the other one during the robbery. I was robbed, for real.
Fred, the money you were given is enough for you to start that job. The check was meant for you to start the other interior at the airport view.
That's what I'm saying. Sam, please, just try and understand me. Yes, but I lost that particular check. I lost that check the day I was robbed. It's fine. Just ask them to at least write another one. Give me another one.
Fred, you know what? Just get ready to go to jail. And there will be no hiding place for you. Do you hear me? There will be no hiding place for you.
Mr. Sam, he hasn't gotten to that. Hi, God. Jesus Christ. Hi, Jesus. Where are you going? How are you going to my car?
So you take me home now?
Look, I'll book a ride for you, okay?
No. Take me to where you picked me from.
See, I'm already having a bad day. Please, don't make it worse for me, I beg you.
I don't understand. Instead of you to be talking about my leg you've destroyed, you're talking about the bad day. How? Please come and take me to the house. Or better still, drop me where you picked me from. You don't have a choice.
I'll drop you where I picked you from. Calm down at this point.
What do you mean this way I'll calm down? This is the house you said you'd take me to.
I never said I was going to take you home.
Don't you have conscience? So now you've condemned my leg and you want to dump me in the middle of a street. Where do you expect me to go with this leg?
You're beginning to cross your boundaries. And I'm not going to take that from you. Just get out of my car.
But you're beginning to be a rude and conscienceless, light-skinned man.
Why are you being a thorn on my flesh? Why are you stressing me? Look, I'm beginning to get really pissed off right now.
Me too, my leg is bad. So you need to take me to your house so you can fix my leg. How will you dump me here? For what?
Look, you're stressing me, you know, right? So if I'd employed you, you'd be embarrassing me like this.
I'm not embarrassing you. I want you to do the right thing. Take me to your house.
Get down my...
I'm not coming down.
Get down from my car. Get down from my car.
Don't hurt me now. My legs are paining me. I can't even stand well.
I'm not even sure you have any injury there. Just get out.
Open this door. You're taking me to your house.
What's your problem now?
Take me to your house.
Are you a demon or a pest or what?
Anyone you want to call me, but take me to your house. Take me to your house. Take me to your house. Hi, God. This kind of wahala be this one now. What will I do again? Rubbish.
What sort of girl is this? Following the guy up and down. I'm pretty sure she has something up her sleeves. Not a girl. Following me up and down. Oh jeez, no. She left the bag here. Oh. Why did she leave her bag in my car? Why? I don't understand, man. This is definitely... I just hope I'll see her when I get back there. I'll give up and come back.
She's here.
Have you gotten the job?
Partially.
Partially.
Nelly, this guy is a nice guy. He is. Because the kind of things I've done to this guy, he's supposed to have lost it. But he hasn't.
Nana, have you gotten the job or not?
Not yet.
And what happened to your leg?
I believe this one is nothing. It's just a stunt to get his attention.
Nana, doesn't it bother you that someone killed your sister?
To be honest with you, at this point, I think I've messed things up. I don't think he'll want to give me the job. I don't think so.
Look, Nana, you are a woman. A beautiful one at that matter. You have to do everything in your power to get this job done. Look, if you don't do it, if you don't make that guy pay for what she did to your sister will not rest in peace. She will not rest well. And she will be very, very, very angry with you.
Sometimes you find yourself between two tough lines. How do I go about this now? Pleasure must be kept aside. It's vengeance time.
Sir, you sent for me.
Yeah, do you have an idea where I can find that girl?
Which girl? Oh, is it the housemate, that girl?
Yeah. Did she drop any application?
No.
Any phone numbers?
For where?
Alright, that's fine. You can go now.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. Can we not employ her? Can we employ her?
I don't understand. Who are the we?
Like,
My friend, go back to what you were doing, Jerry.
sorry, sir.
What's your problem? This guy plays too much.
Ni event you dey do there? The instrument be that abi na gate? Which kind knocking be that one? Who is that?
Madam, wait here. Where are you going to?
What are you doing here again?
Eh?
I came to take my bag.
You came to take your bag. What bag is that?
Go and tell your guy that I came to take my bag. It's inside his car. He knows where I sat down yesterday. He should give me my bag from there.
See your face. See the way you kept your face. What is wrong with you, this girl? Upon all your beauty, don't you respect beauty? Every time you are angry, you are sad. Are you not romantic at all?
Oga Gitman, I beg. I did not come here because of you. See, I'm very, very sad. I'm a very sad girl. Just go inside. Tell your God to give me my bag. Please, that's all.
Go inside. See the way you are saying it. Just go inside and tell your God to give me my bag. How did your bag end up in Ogaska? Explain that.
Am I supposed to be answering your questions? I'm not answering anything. Just go and bring my bag. No, tell your God to bring my bag.
I will just do this thing because of one thing. You say if you know, it's because I have soft spot for you. Because I know I like you. I have these feelings for you. That's why I will go this. If not, me and you will go outside now. Just because I know we'll have small future together. If not, will I be going?
Please tell your God I'm very sad. I'm waiting for my bag.
Wait till they are sadist. You just come here and open him out. Why anyhow?
Coco, what is it?
Ola, good morning.
Morning.
Oga, that girl is here again.
Which girl?
Which other girl? That same girl that is always looking for work here.
What does this girl want from me?
She said you carry her bag. That you have her bag.
You know what? This nonsense has to stop. Come.
Okay, you carry her bag. You have her bag. Sir?
What is going on here? What is she doing here? Young lady. Are you taking my kindness for stupidity? Huh? Are you deaf? Am I not talking to you?
Please stop shouting. I don't like it when you shout. I'm sorry. And I'm sorry for being rude yesterday.
Okay, that's fine. You may leave now, please.
Did you not tell him? I came here to take my bag.
What bag?
My bag that I left in your car, where I sat down. It has the money you gave to me, so I want the bag.
Come, who the hell are you? What's your mission here? Huh?
To take my bag.
Listen to me and listen good. If you do not leave at once, I will have no other option than to call the police on you. Do you understand?
I just want my bag. I'm going to tell him to give me my bag.
Go and tell him to give you what?
My bag.
See your mouth. I just want my bag.
This girl's playing with me, eh? Playing with me, huh? Get you arrested right now. But if I get her arrested now, who's going to bail her? Probably going to be me.
Didn't you hear him? Didn't you hear Oga? He said that he has no other option than to call the police on you. And you are still standing here. Eh?
Oga Gatesman, mind your business. Instead of you to go and plead with Oga to give me my bag, you're here talking another thing.
My friend, Oya, vamoose.
I'm not going anywhere.
Vamoose from here now!
I'm not going anywhere. I want my bag.
You want
Tell
your bag?
Oga to give me my bag.
Okay, police will come and hand that bag over to you.
I'll go inside though.
In few minutes, you will see police here and they will hand the bag to you, over to you inside cell.
You don't have to tell him.
Oh yeah, you will see.
I'm going to carry my bag.
You are going to
Carry my bag.
you and break this gate now. What is wrong with you? They are telling you to leave this place and you are doing strong head. What's wrong with you? No, what's wrong with you? Be very careful, oh. Nonsense. 2 minutes now, you are not out of here. You will see what will happen to you. 30 minutes if you don't hear sirens now.
No, stay on.
She reminds me so much of Ada. She's beautiful, Sha.
What are you doing there?
I'm waiting now.
You're waiting for what?
For my bag.
Okay. Get out. Leave that place now. Leave that place. Do you want me to force you out? Are you not the one I'm talking to? Madam Oya, Vamoose. Vamoose!
Don't touch me. Oh. Don't touch me.
Leave here now.
Don't touch me. I'll tell the police that you want to do sexual harassment.
That one is not a problem. You know whether you like it or not. One day, the sexual harassment must come. Leave here now. I'm counting now. Leave here now.
1.
Oh, you said 1? Okay, don't worry. Police will come and finish the counting. Are you still there? You are still there?
You know what? Just go ahead and take this money and get another bag for yourself, okay? Alright?
I don't need your money. I want my bag. See, I have very important things in that bag. I have credentials. My important credentials are inside that bag. It's the bag I want.
But I told you that I dropped the bag where I picked you from. I looked for you and I didn't see you, so I just had to drop the bag around there.
Okay. You think I'm joking? I'm not joking, no. I have important things in my bag and it's my bag that I want. See, I'll go to my village and I'll call my village to don't bang your door, don't take this place down. If you don't give me my bag, I'm not joking.
Stop that trash. Are you the only one that has village people? Did I fall from heaven?
I'm telling you now.
Just go ahead and take it, please.
I don't need your money. I want my bag.
What kind of problem is this now? What do you want from me?
My bag.
How do you mean you've not entered inside? Why are you this dumb? Will you shut up and allow me to talk? You are being soft on someone that actually killed your breadwinner. Someone that ended your entire career.
Nelly, I care a lot, alright? Does it look like I'm stupid? For crying out loud, we're talking about my sister.
You know what? You are the most stupid girl I've ever seen in my entire life. You're stupid.
Sisi, see, forget that I'm shouting at you. I am not completely a bad person. There is this other side of me that you don't know. If I want to be calm, I'm always very calm. So I want to tell you calmly to get out of this place. You see that my Oga that you're looking at? That my Oga that you're looking at, he might be fair, he might be fine. But once he's angry, he's a madman. He's entirely a different person. So you better sit up here and now, stand up and get out of this place. Can you hear me? I'm being in my best behavior now. If I change and once I change and for you now, you will not believe me. Am I talking to somebody? Am I talking to somebody?
I don't talking.
You say?
I better shift.
Make I shift. Okay, me, I beg, shift. Stand up there now and get out. Get out here now or police will come here and get you out. You think I'm joking with you? You will see. Stupid girl.
Man, I want my bag. I want my bag. I want my bag.
Hey, stop saying that thing there now. Stop saying that nonsense there now before I drag one of your legs now and throw you out of this place. I'll just pick one of your legs now and just push you out. Are you alright? What is wrong with you? So stupid. Rubbish.
I want my bag.
She really needs to cover up that mess. Yes. No one needs to find out what happened to Ada. She was really faster than her shadow. Did you see that guy?
Which guy?
Oh my gosh. Did you see him?
I didn't see any person.
This guy is so cute and I've been crushing on him for a very long time.
You don't say.
Yes, if the guy actually asked me out right now, I wouldn't even hesitate to say, yes I do. He's so cute.
He really got it that bad. Why not go and ask him out yourself?
I'd respect a big girl like me to ask a guy out. I mean, it's not proper.
I expect the big get that, you know. Please, I don't have time for this your love talk. Oh, let's go. I need to raise money for my business.
Hey, thank you for honoring the launch date.
You're welcome.
Appreciate
I must say I enjoyed myself.
it. I know, right? So are you going to go on another date with me tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
Uh-huh.
I have a webinar I need to do tomorrow. Okay, I'll give you a call if I finish on time. How about that?
That's good. You know you're amazing, right?
Thank
Come
you.
here. Take care of yourself.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.
Who was that?
The guy that is madly in love with me.
The guy that is madly in love with you?
Yes. He says he likes my figure.
Oh, really?
Yes. Really. Anyways, let me go and shower. I'll be right back.
So this is the game. I told you that I'm in love with him. But you went behind me and snatched him. Let's see how you enjoy this relationship of yours.
Oh my God. My darling.
And why are you this excited? Did you win a lottery?
Well, he asked me to marry him and I said yes.
He asked you to marry him and you said yes.
Yes.
Are you not being too fast? You don't just rush into things like that. We're talking about marriage here.
Okay, I know that. But Nelly, if you stay close to this guy, you would want to marry him the next day. I'm telling you, this dude is peaceful and nice. Baby girl, I know why I said yes. Trust me.
Okay, fine. I understand. I believe you. Congratulations. Come here.
Happy for you. Thank you.
Let me see. We have your wedding to plan.
Oh, yes, we do.
Oh, yes, we do.
My God.
I'm happy for you, you know, right?
Thank you, cuz. God. You're not dressed yet.
I don't think I will go to the mall again with you.
Why?
I've been having this strong cough since morning and I don't feel too strong.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Maybe we should go tomorrow then.
I don't know.
Okay, I'll be at Fred's house. Just let me know your plans.
Okay.
Do take care of yourself, okay? Let's see.
You want me to follow you to the mall and do your wedding shopping with you? Let's see how others plays out.
Coming! I'm coming! Hey, cuz! Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
How are you doing now?
I'm fine.
Thank God.
I got this for you.
Ice cream! Oh my God. You don't know how much I've been craving for this.
I know, right?
This is food, your lifesaver. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. What will I do without you? Oh my God. I was actually cooking. The rice is almost ready.
You and cooking. You love to cook.
Of course, I love food. My God.
So, how are you?
I'm good. But with this, I'm better. You don't know how much I've been looking for this. Have some now.
No, I actually had mine there. So this one is yours.
No wonder. You're all sitting there like a saint. You know you've eaten yours. Thanks for this. This food is delicious.
Thank you. I'm glad you like it. If you want some more, you just let me know.
Don't even tempt me with that. Because you know if you bring the full pot here, I'm going to demolish it. You know that, right?
You like food like mad.
No, this is nice.
Thank you.
You're not eating?
No.
Oh, you feed yourself with some ice cream.
Plus, I'm trying to, watch my weight so I'll look more sexy on my wedding day.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. My tummy is paining me. Nelly, my tummy. My tummy is paining me, Nelly. Nelly. Nelly, my tummy. My tummy. Nelly. Nelly. Nelly, my tummy. Nelly. Nelly. Nelly.
Maybe I went too far. But I do not regret it.
Hey. Look, I am so sorry. I'll just go look for your bag tomorrow. I believe it's going to be somewhere.
No problem, sir.
Have you had something to eat?
No.
Okay. The food you prepared is still in the freezer, so you can come and microwave it and have some.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Where did you sleep last night?
In an uncompleted building.
Why? Why didn't you just go home?
My village is very far. I couldn't go back.
You see, you should have just taken the money that I gave to you. Use some part of it to book a taxi and go home.
I'm sorry.
But wait. Why does she remind me so much of Ada? Strange.
How can I kill a nice man like him?
Are you good?
Yeah, can I get some more?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay.
This girl has to go. I'm gonna fall for this. She's way too hot to handle.
I need to do something before I leave this house. Sir, I'm done with the dishes.
Oh, that's good. Thank you.
I'll take my leave now.
Alright. Wait. What did you say your name is again?
Sir?
Nana, right? What's your level of education?
I have diploma in food science and HND in nutrition science, sir.
Wow. That's cool. No wonder you're a very good cook.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Look, I am so sorry that you lost your credentials. You shouldn't have been going around with the original credentials, you know.
It's okay, sir. I'll find a way to survive.
Have you done housekeeping job before?
No, sir. But believe me, I can do it. I'm very hardworking.
Okay. I guess I'll give you a try then.
Sir, does that mean you employ me to work for you?
I said I'll give you a try.
Thank you so much, sir. God bless you, sir. I'm very grateful.
I believe you'll do well.
I'll make you proud, sir.
Sure, that's all right. I'll go upstairs, yeah? The visitor's room is the second room by the left. Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Now, the mission begins.
My desire, my desire, my desire is pain for pain. My desire, my desire, my desire is pain for pain. No one can heal where there is lack of love. I tell it from the depth of my heart. No one can heal in the absence of love. Just a kiss from Rose, a kiss from Rose.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
How's work, sir?
Work was good.
Okay, I made your favorite meal. Trust me, you're going to love it.
Really?
Yes. Do you want to eat now? Should I serve you now?
First of all, try the clothes that I got for you. See if you like them.
So you got me clothes?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Wow. Thank you so much, sir. Got me clothes. This guy is such a nice guy. How can I kill a nice guy? This is so beautiful. sir. How do I look? Nice? The dress looks extremely gorgeous on me.
Yeah, you look amazing.
Just amazing.
Um,
Are you sure?
Nana.
What?
Nana, you're wearing, what you're wearing is showing all the curves.
Sure. That's the idea. Right? Mwah. Look, let me help you take off your shirt. Alright? Chill. Relax. Oh my god. Damn, you are so hot. Your chest. Jesus Christ. Gonna eat you so bad. Going to have all of you.
Sister? 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 What is going on? Why are you... Are you good?
Yes. Yes, I'm very cool. That's why I'm holding this thing.
Oh, you are very good. Very, very good. Hey, and you are holding nylon. Eh? No, no. This kind of code, you don't hold nylon. This one is human being to human being. That's how you chase the code. So, what are you going to do now? Meanwhile, the front door is open. Come and lock it. That's why I came to call you.
Thank you.
So, how serious is the code? What are you going to do? How serious?
Oh, Gagit, man, just go. You talk too much.
I see. If this thing is too much, come to my room. Myself, I'm not doing anything. I'm almost jobless. There, come. Let's sort things out. I'll keep the door open for you. Eh? Nobody to... Our guy is sleeping. Do you hear me? Come, it's a normal thing. It's wrong things. You feel like? That's it.
That's funny.
You hear me, Abby?
Go now, go.
No, go, it's time.
What kind of imagination is this? Nah. Imagination won't kill you. On a second thought, a lonely man can still fall into my trap. Nelly, this guy got me new clothes yesterday. I think he's a nice guy.
Do not go there and lose guard. That guy, before killing your sister, showered her with so much gift. Okay? So focus. Focus on the main thing, which is to get in there, kill him, and get the hell out. Hello? Nana? Hello?
I need to to know why he killed my sister before I kill him. Oh God.
Why do I have this feeling that she will mess this whole thing up? Well, however it goes, I just want him dead. That is all that matters to me.
Damn. This guy is hot. Skin like what?
My desire is pain for pain. My desire.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Your breakfast is ready. Shall I bring it here?
I don't eat in my room. Take it to the dining.
Okay. I also want to say thank you so much for the clothes you got for me. They're really nice. I love them.
Don't mention. Alright? I'm glad you like them.
I'll start the dining now.
Alright. I'll join you.
Kiss from Rose will wipe away all tears. A kiss from you. Kiss from you. Wipe away all pain. Just a kiss from Rose. Kiss from you. Wipe away all pain. A kiss from you. Kiss from you. Wipe away all sorrow. A kiss from you. A kiss from you, a kiss from you. I tell you, a kiss from you, kiss from you. Relax, don't bother. Don't you think you know this game too well? Relax, don't worry. There is more to meet the eyes.
My house can be this clean. This guy was really good. Very good. Nana! 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 Nana.
Sir.
What are you doing here?
I'm cleaning. I also brought your iron clothes.
Nana, are you crying?
No. Excuse me, sir.
Nana. Why are you crying? Did you get a bad news from home or something?
No. It's nothing, I'm fine.
You're crying and you're saying there's nothing. Come on, talk to me. What's the matter? Huh?
I just remembered someone I lost months ago.
That's so sad. So sorry about that, okay? Don't worry, with time you get over it.
I don't think I can ever forget her.
You will, sweetheart. Stand up. Come here. Sorry, stop crying. Stop crying. Alright? You'll be good. Look, everything's gonna be alright.
Oh God. This guy is so nice to be a mother. I don't even have the heart to poison him. Good morning, sir.
Hey, Nana. How are you today?
Cool, breakfast is ready.
Thank you, but I'm kind of late for work already.
Sir, I just have a little... You're going to work.
Why are you sounding like my mom?
Every good woman sounds like a mother. Alright, let me...
Are you happy now?
Mm-hmm. Let me help you with your tie.
Oh. Yeah, yeah, take care of the house.
Sure. loves her so much. There's no way on earth he'll kill someone he loves. What are you doing here?
Surprised?
Yes, I'm surprised. He's going to be back soon. What? Nelly, you can't do this.
Why
you
not?
Can't.
I am here to finish him. Since you don't know how to do it.
Nelly, you need to calm down, alright? Listen, if you have an evidence, we can take it to the police. You don't have to kill him, please. What?
Has he charmed you the way he charmed Dada?
Oh, Jesus Christ, Nelly, this has nothing to do with charm. Listen, this guy is a good guy. And I don't want us to kill an innocent man just like that, please. What?
Oh, you're in love. You're in love with him.
In what? Hell no. Listen, I just want us to trade with caution, okay? And besides, he's been so nice to me, I'm not gonna lie.
He's been so nice to you.
Yes.
And you're not gonna lie. Okay. I'm just gonna sit down here and wait for him so that I can finish him since you don't know how to do it.
Nelly, what do you mean you're going to sit here, wait for him so you can finish him? You need to leave. Please, just start going now. I will sort things out. I will handle things, I promise.
Why are you dressed like this? You dressed to seduce him? Someone that killed your sister?
You just have the things in your head, Nelly. You just need to calm down. Can I have the gun? I don't even want to have it. Just go.
Don't you get it? This guy actually killed your sister.
Our sister. And I'm aware.
And she ended your career.
But I'm asking you to calm down. I have things under control, right? I'm going to... Nelly, he's back. You need to start going. Come, he's back. Stand up. You need to hide your gun. Just go. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Coco? Sir? Come here, I'm talking to you. What's the meaning of this? Where have you been? I've been horning ever since.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I was poo-pooing inside.
You were what?
Poo-pooing, sir. I was poo-pooing.
Who then left the small gate open?
Oh, was it open?
Coco, you're asking me if the small gate was open. You're asking... What?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
What's your job here?
I'm so sorry. Sorry, sir.
Nonsense. I'm back.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah. So I got you this special dish from a new African bushman restaurant around.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Kind of look different today. Somewhat sexier.
Thank you, sir.
Are you alright?
Yes, I'm great. I swear to God. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, you're great.
Yeah, sure.
I can see that.
Stop!
Sorry, I was carried away. Okay, I'm just gonna go up.
Ellie, what have you done? Jesus Christ. Nelly! Nelly!
Hey, what's up? How you doing?
Welcome, sir.
You look nervous. Oh, I got something for you. Go ahead.
You look excited.
Well, I am so excited. Very excited. You know, I applied for a loan at the bank, and that loan was going to be my saving grace. Without that loan, I probably will be going to jail next month. I got the loan. The day that I was mobilized for a housing project was the same day that I was robbed. All the money, everything, the check, everything was taken away.
I'm so sorry about that. When did this happen?
I think it was on a Monday. Yeah, 5th of May to be precise. I'll never forget. I was robbed by one lady, armed lady, had a gun. I didn't even get to see her form or something. It happened very fast.
5th of May?
Yeah, 5th of May.
Where?
It was along the airport road. I can never forget. Like I told you, one armed lady or girl or something. By the way, did you make anything? I'm really hungry. Why?
Sir, I'm very sorry, but out of curiosity, I would like to know. When I was cleaning your room, I saw a girl's picture. Right. Is she your wife or... I mean, I haven't seen her in this house.
You will never see her again. She will never visit again.
You guys broke up?
No. She died. I came back on that fateful day and I found her lying on the floor, dead. Autopsy revealed that she was poisoned.
Poisoned? By whom?
I have no idea. But I remember that she said that she was meant to go to the mall to get a wedding gown with a cousin, one cousin of hers like that. I don't know if it's the cousin that poisoned her. I just don't know.
Do you know the name of her cousin?
No, I don't. I don't.
What about your CCTV? Have you tried to check?
Unfortunately, the CCTV was malfunctioning that period. It was after this event that I made sure that I reinstalled the CCTV because I don't want to take any chances anymore. Why is your face like that? Are you okay?
Yeah. Have you tried to look for the cousin?
No. How am I supposed to find her? I mean, I don't really know her relatives that much, except her mom. It's just unfortunate that her mom thinks that I have a hand in what happened to her. I mean, how can I kill someone that I love so much? Someone that I literally love with all my life. Ada.
You need to vindicate yourself.
But how?
Nelly lied to me. I almost killed an innocent man.
Oh, what? Hey, are you here? What's going on?
You need to unveil the truth.
What truth? Huh?
You find out soon. Nelly? Nelly? Nelly!
I'm right here. So, have you killed him?
Yes, I have. I poisoned him last night. He died in his office this afternoon.
Finally! I mean, this is good news. You know what? We should be celebrating right now.
Who poisoned Dada?
What?
You told me he poisoned Ada's ice cream, right?
The person that poisoned Ada is dead. So you should be happy. I mean, we are supposed to be celebrating at this point. Let's stop talking about Ada. It's bringing bad memories. Okay?
Why did you do it?
Excuse me?
Why did you kill my sister? So you sent me to go kill an innocent man to cover up your crimes?
Are you accusing me right now? Like, seriously?
On the 5th of May, you came back with a bag. You hid that bag in the ceiling. What's in that bag?
Look, I was going to tell you.
You were going to tell me that you robbed an innocent man of a huge amount of money he was supposed to use for a house project? You're going to tell me? You need to return that money.
Why?
Because it's a crime. Do not piss me off!
A crime? Did you say a crime? We both committed a crime here. Yes, I robbed him, but you poisoned him. So shut up! Shut up!
Really?
Yes, really. Why do you want us to go to jail? Huh? Because I won't be going to that jail with you. Because by this time tomorrow, I'll be out of this country. So if there's anyone going to jail, that will be you. Okay?
You know, what disgusts me the most is that you don't feel no atom of remorse. For crying out loud, you have the blood of your own in your hands.
Shut up! I did not kill Ada. I did not kill her! Don't you get it? You did. I did not!
What did you do to Ada? What did you do to Ada?
You? I thought you...
You thought he's dead? You thought I would just kill an innocent man for a crime that you committed? You are guilty. Now start talking!
What did you do to Ada?
Start talking! Listen, officers. If this murderer doesn't speak in 1 second, with all due respect, carry on your duties.
I am sorry. I am sorry. I didn't mean to kill her. I just wanted to put a little substance in her ice cream for her to get sick and for the wedding not to hold. I am sorry. I didn't mean to kill her. I'm sorry.
Because I can't believe this. Can someone just wake me up? Please.
Officers, do your work.
Where's the money you stole from him?
Where's my money?
It's right there. I mean, we can actually discuss this, okay? I mean,
Go and get it.
yes, I can.
Let's go.
Officers, get this thing out of my sight now! Get this useless out of my freaking sight!
You're under arrest for the murder of Miss Ada and armed robbery. Move it.
Let's go.
I am sorry, Nana. I am sorry. I was only crushing on Fred. But she went and fell in love with him. I am sorry.
It's okay.
You look like I have met you once and twice. Once and twice. I really wanna see your face the third time. You look like I have met you once and twice. Once and twice. I really wanna see your face the third time.
Please don't leave.
Don't you know that
Please stay.
I'll be happy? Don't you know that
I can't.
I'll be glad if I can make you all mine?
Can you take Ada's place in my life?
Don't you know that I'll
Beg
be
you.
happy? Don't you know that I'll be glad if I can make you all mine?
Please.
All mine. You look so beautiful. This feeling is driving me crazy. So beautiful. So
I love you so much.
you look so beautiful. My desire,
Come here.
my desire, my desire.
Not going anywhere.
Ooh, easy, please.
I got you, baby. Don't worry.
Okay. Oh my God, you are crazy.
Running up.
Okay.
My desire is paid for pain. No one can heal where there is lack of love. I tell it from the depth of my heart. No one can heal in the absence of love. Just a kiss from Rose, a kiss from Rose. Will wipe away all tears. A kiss from you, kiss from you. Wipe away all pain. Just a kiss from Rose, kiss from wipe away all pain. A kiss from you, kiss from you. Wipe away all sorrow. A kiss from you, a kiss from you, a kiss from you. I tell you, a kiss from you, kiss from you. Relax, don't bother. Don't you think you know this game too well? Relax, don't worry. There is more to meet the eyes than what you see. Life is mysterious.